Okay, so there is news, and I just got this wheel set. It's 𝐤𝐳𝐝𝐤𝐽, or I don't know how to pronounce it, 𝐤𝐳𝐝𝐤𝐽. The model is unicorn because they are really a unicorn. I have never saw this, and I googled it, and there are maybe 3 or 4 of them, mostly in Russia. I've found some catalogs from 88, which these wheels are from, but that someone is using them today, I didn't find. So got them. They are 7-inch by 15 and ET11. So it's going to be a tight fit, but we're gonna try them and hope they don't stick out because of the inspection. The wheels shouldn't bend out from the wheel arches, but my luck, I have a wheel arch roller, and we're gonna roll the wheel arches, see if they poke out. The plan with them is to remove the tires because they are from 2003, no, from 2001, and they are too big. And I have these. These are my winter tires. They are 185 by 65, 15, and these are 205, 65, 15. So these are bigger tires than my set. The radius of them is about 1 centimeter bigger than the original set. So as you can see, this looks... Stop it. I'm filming, stop it. So you can see it looks badass, but it's poking out. But the wheel is not straight. The car is on the jack stands, so when I put it down, I think it's going to stop fighting. Hey, Pluto. So I think it's not going to poke out, but it's going to be flush. The rear end. Let's see the rear end. Yeah, as you can see, the wheel is not straight. It's like this because it's on jack stands, but I think it will straighten up and be flush with the fenders when the car is on the floor. Other thing, the tire pokes out about a centimeter, maybe more. So it's going to be narrower with my tires. And God, this looks amazing, and it's only 15. Let's go to the tire shop to get these tires removed and mount those winter tires on them.
Your love's what I need. Your love is what I need. Your love's what I need. Your love is what I need. love's what I need. Your love is what I need.
Okay, first you need to turn off your device.